So we have dropped the car off at Autostatics. Here's their sign. And here is the baby. And she is getting the track package, PPF, and ceramic tint. Paint correction. Yeah, so it'll have paint correction, track package, PPF, and ceramic tint and ceramic coating.
So we're here at Auto Static in Tennessee, and I'm currently picking up the FL5. So what has been done to it is paint correction, PPF, that's the mirror, the front end, and the bumpers, the lights, and also did tint and all of that. So this is it. So these are some of the cars he's currently working on. So as you can see, this is a M240i, and it's tint already, PPF. It's pretty clean, and here he has a Porsche GT3. FL5 sitting right here. Unfortunately, there was just one rock chip on it, and I guess I took too long to bring it to him based on circumstances. So this is how it's looking that day. So I got the car back from Auto Statics, where they did a full paint correction, 35% tint, and also the truck package PPF. So the entire front of PPF on it. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to install these rain guards that I bought. They're OEM, but from the manufacturer, which is Honda, and finish up what I like to do on cars when I get them. So let's get into it. So I've installed three. One, three. So let me tell you what I found easiest, because I was struggling with this one. So what I did, you have to clean the edge off with isopropyl alcohol and microfiber. Then you're going to pull this out, but don't pull the edges. All you need to do is pull where the clips, which are these guys, go, because it was a struggle to get this one in. So you're going to pull right here where the clip goes. Then you're going to install the rain guard first. Then you put this into the groove right here. Then you use this to hold it in at both points. If not, it's going to keep falling out because of these little small clips. So that's what I found easiest. So let me finish the last one. I just use one of these, and as you see, it's partially out. So it should look like this. Then you just do that. Should look something like that. Then you install the clips, and there it is, final look of it. See right there. that is the end of this video. I got the car paint corrected, ceramic tint, PPF, and also ceramic coat, and then I installed those rain guards on it. I think the only other thing that I'll do to this car is install a dash cam, and that will be it for now, and until I probably change my mind, because all in all the car drives very good as is, and I don't think it need anything else. So I'll catch you guys in the next video.